G'day guys, Dan here from Waikato Sheds. I do the design and sales. Today we're at our at one of our clients' builds. We're building a consent-free shed that is matching in with this amazing building. We decided to kind of design it to match in with the building. Let's go down and see the boys. G'day boys, how you doing?
Yeah, great. We're just here on this beautiful little shed that Dan sold. 30 square metre, steel frame or Steelhaus construction. Really fantastic product, really easy to put together. It all comes pre-assembled. You've just got to stand it up and screw it all together, and then there's a few tricks of the trade you got to know just to get it all done, but really simple, good product. We're lining this one in corrugated iron on the outside, and then the roof is going to be T-rib, all in black. It's going to look really nice. One of the great features about steel frame buildings is it already comes set up that you can just line this on the inside. So if you want to line it in corrugated iron, you could, or plywood. Really easy, just screw straight to this and it's done. It all comes pre-drilled out for the electrician to come through, run all the cables to have power all through it, plumbing into them, just anything you want, they can make it work for you. It's absolutely just a really good, strong product. It's been a pleasure to work with.
Of course, it's super simple, foolproof. It's hard to mess it up.
Yeah.
Great product.
Yeah, and great service with it, great sets of plans and everything you could need to get it done.
Super simple.
Yeah, and just, you know, living. What are we, in a man cave? Playing the drums maybe, you know, all sorts, working on your classic car. You could do it all, and now you don't have to get a consent for it. Obviously it's built to a consentable standard, but you don't have to get that, so it's just fabulous that you can get one of these up nice and quick and be enjoying that shed life that we all love. Alright, peace out, Waikato Sheds.